Hi guys, today I'll share with you Bosch Rotak 32-12 corded lawn mower. The lawn mower is 1200 watt. The power cable will be 10 meter. The blade width is 32 cm. It has 3 settings for the cutting height, which is 20 mm, 40 mm and 60 mm. The capacity for the grass box will be 31 litre and the weight for the machine will be 6.8 kg. The red color here is for the machine to cut up to the edge. Press down and adjust the height that you want. To adjust the height, you have to adjust the wheel manually. You have to adjust the front wheel and back wheel accordingly.